Hey crypto friends, for those of you who are new to the channel, my name is Garrett and welcome to Altcoin Radar. Today we are going to be taking a look at the WIF charts or dog with a hat charts, and we're going to see where it might be headed, and we will cover both bullish and bearish scenarios as well, just to simply cover all of the, all of the different possibilities. And towards the end of the video, I will cover the overall macro structure of the overall altcoin market as well. Now, for those of you who love trading crypto and want to try the same crypto exchanges that I use on a regular basis, then go ahead and try out either the MEXC exchange or the Blowfin exchange with the links in the video description down below this video. And if you're from the United States, the best part about the Blowfin exchange right here is that they do allow anybody from any country to be able to sign up. So that is very, very nice. And it's non-KYC as well. So let's go ahead and take a look at dog with a hat. All right, this is one of those meme coins that came out that absolutely took the crypto market by storm, and it took off like absolute crazy. It's done so well, it's not even funny. So let's go ahead and check this out. Now over here on a macro view, we can clearly see we've got all kinds of different levels here that are, panned out right now. And we can clearly see we are riding this current level right here of right around $2.76. All right, that is the current, current support level that we are currently working with right now as we speak, which is very nice to see. Okay, and we can also see that we are within a giant triangle structure here as well. So anything can happen here. Obviously, we're either going to go up or down. Obviously, I'm not a magician. I can't tell you exactly what's going to happen because I cannot see the future. Okay, hey, if you want to see the future, go ahead and call up your local, witchcraft specialist, and they'll be able to tell you where it's going to go. Okay, but I'm not that person. I can't tell you exactly what's going to happen. All we can do is speculate and see what could eventually happen, okay, based on raw price data. And as you guys can clearly see right now, the next level we need to be looking at here is $3.13. We need to be able to cross that in order to be able to head towards the top of this triangle here. All right, obviously the top of the triangle here is much more important than this resistance level here at 366. So if we can gain enough momentum to be able to cross this triangle here, we have a good solid chance of being able to go through and break through this $3.66 range. All right, now that is overall on a bullish scenario here. Now in a bearish structure, or what I see could happen for an overall bearish scenario here, is if Bitcoin continues to lose momentum and if Bitcoin continues to keep dropping, which it potentially could. I mean, that is a possibility here. We can't just keep running around with, bull market mindsets and be like, oh my gosh, everything's just going to completely go straight up forever. That's not how any market works, okay? You got to be realistic about this stuff. So if that does end up happening, if we do end up continuing to drop more, we want to be looking for obviously this level of 276 for support. If that fails, we will probably most end up likely going down to this triangle down here, and we're either going to bounce off of it again like we did right here and right here. We'll either bounce off of it and create another higher low, or if things continue to be super bearish, which I hope does not happen, we will probably continue to break through this $2.20 level down here past the triangle here and continue to head forward down to this next layer of support here at $1.89 before hopefully bouncing off and continuing higher and getting back into these ranges up here, which would be very, very nice to see. Okay, now as far as the overall macro structure of the overall altcoin market is concerned, obviously everybody knows that, hey, once Bitcoin is going up, crypto, altcoins, you typically go down, all right, which is pretty typical. And as Bitcoin dominance starts to drop, altcoins start to go up, which is awesome when that happens because everybody wants to see their altcoins go up. Now, a very, very bottom that I see for the overall crypto or altcoin market cap going is right down here at $533 billion. But we've also got pretty decent support down here at $560 billion as well, all right? Now, I will not start to feel completely extremely bullish on altcoins or for another alt season until we start to break through this giant downtrend here. But not only that, we need to break these two big levels here as well. We need to break this level and we need to break this level here as well. All right, and those levels are at, let's see here, we've got a level here at 682 billion and we've got more here at 695 billion. So I will not realistically start to feel extremely bullish on the altcoin market until we start to reach and break past the $695 billion range. Okay, so overall here, dog with a hat, I mean, hey, this thing's been taking off like crazy, and this coin has been awesome, to be brutally honest with you. I personally do not own any, but that's not to say that I'm not a fan, okay? There's a lot of coins that I don't personally hold. Here's the thing about me, guys. For those of you who don't know me, I am not a tribalist, okay? I love any and all altcoins, altcoins that, you know, have a big following and a big community. I'm a huge fan of, okay? Realistically, I'm not a tribalist. I'm not going to sit here and be like, oh, that coin is, you know, complete shit just because I don't personally own it or anything like that. That's just not me, okay? I'm all for all altcoins. I want to see the whole altcoin market completely take off at some point in time. So that is one of the big reasons why I'm a fan of this, you know, coin, in my personal opinion. And I would love to see it continue to move even higher and higher and higher. And the realistic, the realistic overall goal here is to continue to see more and more higher lows being created. It'd be cool if we could create a higher low there, or we created a higher low here, way back here. And it would be cool if we ended up creating another one right down here as well, if we end up going down to the bottom of the flag here. And continue to go up and continue to break these various levels of resistance here as well, and make obviously make a new high for WIF in the long term as well. So guys, overall here, before I go ahead and wrap up this video, if you enjoyed this video and you enjoyed my price action, please make sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel, hit the like button below the video, and leave me a comment down below this video on your personal thoughts on where you personally think that, you know, the price is going to go with this coin in the short term. And with that said, you guys, for those of you who ended up watching this video to the whole end, thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see all of you in my future videos.